What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So this is going to be part one of me exposing some of the lies that Pinnacle Credit Repair is spreading about me and even about himself. I know everybody, including myself, is tired of hearing about this, but the reason I'm posting it on my main channel is because I have a lot more subscribers that we can get this out to. So a few things I would like to ask of you: please watch the whole video, please hit the like button, please comment, and also share this video everywhere you can. This guy is hiding in another country, Asia, and he's trying to make everybody think that he's in New York. He is not in New York. He uses virtual addresses, claims I'm using a virtual address. Everything Credit has always been based out of Texas. I am a new business owner, so I'm still new to this. I don't know how this works. I'm getting a lot better. So I was told when I started it that if you start another business in another state, which thousands of people have businesses in the state they don't live in, that you also have to create an LLC in the state you live in. Well, that's wrong. So that LLC was abolished because I did not even need that LLC. So if y'all have any questions about the video, just leave them in the comments. But I'm telling y'all, share this, get this out there before he scams more people. Hope y'all have a great day.
Their website from a P.O. box in Georgia to a virtual address in Texas. I wonder why. And it's quite peculiar how this happened during my recent uploads of exposing this individual and how he has made false accusations, bullying other YouTubers, and just talking crap. So we're gonna...
Tony Robbins here. How many of you live in a trailer park? Say I. Imagine what could possibly be going through the mind of someone trying to run an illegal credit repair business in the state of Georgia and publicize it on YouTube. I want you to quickly close your eyes and envision yourself as a 6-foot, 250-pound gorilla that is a narcissistic sociopath that thinks he's Kobe Bryant.
Jealous because I'm a really brilliant, young, handsome, talented, hardworking person. He thinks he's Kobe Bryant, which he's delusional, and that's just the facts. You know, he's an old man that passed his prime and didn't work out for him, so he's going to hate on the younger man coming up. He's not someone I would ever look up to. Those are like the school faculty that tell you you're never going to be anyone. He's a redneck. He lives in a trailer park. You know, he has no other friends other than just white supremacist friends. If you just look at the profile of this person, he's not diverse. He is just all twisted up. So dive deep in the legality of their operations and the tactics they're using to deceive potential customers. They're curious about his lifestyle, and it raises the question, why doesn't he disclose where he lives? Why doesn't he disclose his personal information in his videos like I do? I'm filming in my house right now. You can see all my videos are in one of my properties. And I've disclosed where I'm at, and I have no shame about it. I don't need a magnifying glass to see that. But that's not even the point here. The point is that what he said about his YouTube channel is completely and utterly wrong. So let's take two screenshots here of both credit profiles, of both YouTube profiles, and you can clearly see how matching they are. But If you view it as the surface, you must understand. My channel has only been active for 6 months. His channel has only been active for a year, posting relentlessly. If you calculate the videos that he has posted, several hundreds as comparison to mine, which are very, very little comparison to that, he has upwards of 300 subscribers, yet his average view count is about 80 views. And that's being completely generous, to which the videos that show significantly higher view counts are just paid advertising. They're artificial bought views, just like his subscriber base. And the reason why I say his subscriber base is definitely fake, because how can you have a subscriber base of upwards of 3,000 subscribers, but you only get on average 80 views for a 1 to 2 minute video? So if we point. Nice try, buddy, but again, low IQ person meets a high IQ person on the street with this fictional Darth Maul wannabe, and he brings his plastic dildo, portrays it as a lightsaber, tries to assail me, slips and falls on the mere shit that leaves his mouth on all of his videos about talking crap about everybody, and then he accidentally impales himself on his own words. I made you eat your own words, but actually I made you stab yourself. Because here's the thing, that's when he realized, and that's when you realize, Andre don't gotta do shit to destroy you, because ain't nobody look good trying to make others look bad. You live in Ashburn, that's where your business is, buddy. You don't live in Tennessee. Okay, and if you live in Tennessee, the average, let's look at the average medium home values, okay? The average medium home value for a home in David's neighborhood of Ashburn or Tennessee is $120K. Okay, here are two screenshots. Here's a screenshot right here. All right. Now here's the sales price of a penthouse that is actually smaller than mine with no view of the East River. Gave you a hint there, buddy.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
Good morning, Vietnam! Hey.
Hey guys, this is Secret here. This is another video from Pinnacle that says crack the fucking code, ha ha ha. I win, you lose. I guess this is referring to his ACAT system. I don't know. Let's listen to this.
You hear it differently is that this special link from
He says this special link. This is TransUnion sign up page. In fact, it looks like you tried to use somebody's email address and password and it failed, but okay.
TransUnion.com. Okay, I'm not.
We're sorry, it appears that we're in trouble. And here it even says that it's the wrong username and password.
to show it. No one else
We're on the right, it's talking about sign up, but okay.
has this link. Okay, you got.
And then he switched over to Donovan, and it clearly says, follow the instructions for TransUnion to set up a TransUnion account. Really? Another lie? Anyways, I'm just gonna let that one go.
Across my empty room, so much to contemplate. I guess that's what we do when the path seems clear, but you still can't choose. Are we lost?
And I just want to end the video with this. I have only legally been in business for a little over 2 years now, but how long a company has been in business means absolutely nothing. I have companies that have been in business for over 20 years reach out to me and ask me how to attack certain items to get them removed from a credit report. So again, if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. I will not stop until this individual is locked up. He crossed the line when he brought my daughter into this. So yes, it's personal. I apologize. But again, if any of you are fathers out there who have daughters, you probably know exactly how I feel. So I will not stop until he goes down. Y'all have a great night.